Hi, welcome back. Another important session. All set? All happy today? Let's get into the topic. This is important, something very interesting for me also. That's why I'm just sharing my knowledge. Okay, let's get into the topic. If you change customer address, existing documents will be affected. That we have already seen. What should I do? The $100 question, what should I do? Okay. So, so many orders got created last 10 years, 6 years, like maybe it's 5, 6 years, 6 years, orders got created. Suddenly, if you change customer address, the address will be automatically updated your transactional documents. But that is new address, old address, you have a legal proof. What you have done? So your customer received the stock somewhere in the past. So somewhere any legality comes, the customs will ask questions. So SAP is that bad software? No. Let's look into that. This is controlled through optical archiving in SAP SD, S4 HANA, any software for that matters, any module you take. What exactly this is optical archiving? Okay. So first thing, let me show you. Use the optical archiving by archiving link. This functionality makes it possible to store output of SD documents so that can print them in future at any time in their original form. Okay, no worries. I'm also not good at this English sentence framing, but let me try to understand you. So if any old documents are there, that address, if supposed to, if anything is needed for proof or auditing, if you'd like to print, you can able to archive, okay, by using print output type. So what exactly happens? So now you see this output type customizing storage mode, you have an archiving only or print and archive. These are the two things you have, right? So we have to use this transaction to print old documents with old address, even if you change customer address also. Actually, it has two solutions. So one thing is that if any new address, if it is temporarily changed for your customer, instead of changing total master data, you suggest to your customer, better change at your document level, like how you are doing for your one-time customer. Most of the times, this is the possibility will give future impact for that customer, not to get into any trouble, both buyer side and seller side. Okay, so this is the transaction. So let's see this on SAP system. So let me go. This is first go to. So you go to BB 13. So for example, I'm just showing, or else VV 33, you go any billing document type. So for example, RD000. I just wanted to show you the place. So let's take the billing document standard someone might have maintained. So now if you look at here, you can see this. This is the place where storage mode you have print only, archive only, print and archive. Generally, if you do print and archive, so you can able to print and that will be backup archived somewhere. Okay, so that will be in your OWAD. Okay, if you come here, so if you wanted, so for example, after 5 years, okay, there should be a need after a year closing, there should be need to take the document type. Actually, for the current customer address is changed, but the old invoices you want it. How do you do that? Okay, let's go to the document finder. Okay, let's choose probably documents or print list. You can take any one of this. Okay, so here you have to give the business object. I'll show you. So we'll have different modules. You can able to take it, but let me take the invoice one. Probably you can get okay SD invoice. Okay, so if you want invoice documents, you can take the SD invoice. In the similar way, let me put it the star. Probably you will get SD relevant. Okay, customer contacts. You can able to see delivery notes. Also, you can able to take. You can take your invoice list and billing documents. Currently, this is what I'm trying now. Okay, if you execute like this, so now you can able to see this. You will get all the archived billing list. Okay, probably I'm not showing the practical experiment, but I can assure that this is the way you can able to give for your customer if you want any invoice with old address, but not directly the transactional document, because transactional tables won't store the actual data what you supposed to print for your invoice or order or this thing, but this is the place where you can take the backup once you have distributed. So optical archiving, I think you understand that is just a term given from SAP. Okay. So if you learn something, are you happy? You should be happy. Real time, these are the things will happen. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. And I would like to tell you one more thing. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. All these are the different courses, like total 19 courses available. SAP SD and 101 hours. Yesterday, till yesterday, it is 100 hours. I'm just trying to add this video also there for their update. And if you want to learn S4 HANA, you try this and getting master to write functional specification. Okay. If you are beginner, then you get into this course. For real-time learning, I'm suggesting this course as well as one more course on idocs. I put my hard work, live up to the ratings. If you have heart to learn, you'll learn. Don't worry about that. Okay. So the content is very good. You can follow my courses. If you have any doubts, you can comment. If you like this video, please like it. What I'm asking, please like this video so that it will go to other people. They can learn all these things. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Thanks for optical archiving. Bless you.